About 10 years ago, we decided to change our company name to Ground Improvement Engineering. Ground improvement was an expression gaining traction in the geotechnical community and is still the best phrase to describe our industry. We have done groundbreaking work in this field for more than 25 years. The name just fits us. We work directly with structural engineers, geotechnical engineers, general contractors, developers, sometimes even architects. And they'll bring us into a project. The team invites us to participate early in the planning process to discuss alternatives to over-excavation or piles or caissons. And we can use ground improvement to allow the convenience of spread footings and floor slabs on grade. I'm serious. Everybody, contractor, structural engineer, they all love spread footings and floor slabs on grade. Sometimes it is not a building we're dealing with. Then we get to work in challenging soil conditions for retaining wall support, slope stabilization, and railroad subgrade improvement, among other things. We are the leaders in designing GeoPure ground improvement because we have helped to develop and test the technology in the field. We are all professional engineers, and we know and work with all kinds of soil types in the upper Midwest. And I'm telling you, there are very many soil types, and some of them are pretty rough to deal with. Because our people live and work in these states, they understand the challenges and can tailor the right GeoPure technology for each project.
We are very collaborative with our project partners. Because we can draw from a number of GeoPure technologies that can provide improvement depths up to 45 feet or more, our process focuses on assessing technical and construction challenges as well as costs. And that helps us apply the right solution for that particular site and project. We span many industries from commercial and retail to transportation, wind power, industrial, agricultural, and healthcare. These technologies allow for development or expansion on sites that historically would have been very costly to develop due to poor soil conditions. With a large fleet of installation equipment that come in all different types and sizes, we can access remote rural locations to tight urban sites and tailor our approach specifically to meet the needs of the project. And project managers always like to hear that for easier project coordination and efficient scheduling. Charles, when you think of the many projects you've worked on, what does success look like for you?
I have worked on a lot of projects. I mean, a ton of them. And I would say, looking back over them, the greatest ones are when I'm brought in early on in the project and looking at other options to driving piles or digging out poor soils. Then I do my design, turn it in, people like to review it, and then we go to construction. I go out to the job site, make sure we're putting in whatever technology that we're doing correctly, and then reporting back to the team how it went in a final construction report. That, to me, is a successful project.